The next step, as I said, you only ask to receive. Yeah. But if you don't give, why should the other one give? So, starting with gratitude, you feel in a mood to give love in a relationship. And then you can learn about the 5 languages of love. Because actually, what broke up your relationship, it's not understanding how we give and receive love, what language we speak. Now I'm speaking English. If you don't understand English, there's no point in me giving you all this information. You don't understand it. But if you understand that I'm speaking English and you can translate it into another language, there is a communication. So if, for instance, you like to be hugged, you like to be touched, but your partner doesn't speak this language, your partner will be like suffocated. Oh, this attention, I cannot do this anymore. Okay, so this is one of the 5 languages. Another language is the words we speak. So if you need to hear every single day, I love you, but your partner, it's like, I told you once I loved you. I will tell you when this changes. So once again, there is a partner who needs to hear it and the other one who doesn't need to hear it. And they don't understand, why do you need to hear it every single day? Because it's my love language. Oh, I can do that if I understand it's important for you. Another love language is gifts, giving gifts. And if this is not important for you, you will see, why is this other person spending so much money on gifts? I hate gifts. And the other one feels rejected because you don't accept them. So once more, we cannot understand each other. Another love language is the things we do for the others. And actually, when this is important, you need your partner to pay the bills, to wash the dishes, to do some chores for the house. And when they don't do that, you feel rejected. So this is the 4th language. And the last one is the time to spend together. So if one needs only 1 minute a day and the other one needs like 10 minutes a day, 10 hours a day, they won't understand why the other one needs more time. So actually, when you start doing this gratitude, when you learn these love languages and you start practicing them, when you give space to your partner, when you support each other, no matter what was in the past, today is a new day. Today is the first day of your life. So if today you start practicing gratitude, you pay attention to the love languages, your love languages and your partners, and you understand that you prove each other your love, you start building a new relationship. And then you focus on the next steps. What more is there to be done? You can follow me and discover all the steps I've took, but these 2 steps are the first steps. Showing gratitude and understanding, paying attention, and actually using these love languages. This is the way I began to speak with my partner the same language, and our relationship got from this point of breakup to a blissful marriage. Why is this so important to me? Because when kids are involved, they really need this nest of confidence, love, to nurture them, to make them grow with balance, happiness, and